What is up, wild and wonderful? Can you guys see my little friend over my shoulder over here? That's one of our many deer that we get in the yard. Alright, y'all. So today, first off, let me show you what I'm working with here. This is a 2001 ZR2. I absolutely love this truck. I had one in high school. When the opportunity came, I had to buy it. This was always like the Cadillac version. Now that I'm in my 30s, I can have one. But, as you guys know, these things have a third door. Unlike the front door handles, where they're all metal, the rear door handle, oh, it looks just like it, right? Nope. That piece in there is plastic. So, what we're going to be doing today is replacing that with $10 eBay part. So on the eBay part, this is actually metal, which, as you can see, that's where all your tasty action comes from. So, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting this in here today, then I'll be able to open my third door. This should be a very simple repair. We've got 2 Torx bolts right here, and that is going to be a T, I'm going to guess that, 30. So step 1, take your T30, run those 2 bolts out. Set them somewhere safe. Step 2. You gotta pry with that screwdriver just a little bit. There's like a gasket on the back side that's kind of sticky. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect this top one right here. Basically, you can just do that with a pocket screwdriver. See that? Now that's released. Same thing on the lower half. Get that away, and then these basically are held in with grooves that are in both parts. Boom! There, we got it. That tab is what breaks off the top of the handle. That's the only point of contact on there. This bottom part is just a pivot point, so there's no pressure there. But that's why they make this one out of metal. Metal is stronger than plastic. So I'm going to start by opening these up. So basically what I do is I find the old marks. You can kind of see it's basically just going to be cleaner than the rest of it. Find the cleanest portion. We're going to clip it in there to start. So you can see that one's in here. I've got it clipped. Secure. So now we're going to attach this one over here. Alright, y'all, we're going to run our Torx bits back in and give it a test. Alright, so here's our first. The other handle does not have tension on it, and it does not open. It means we need to go farther on both of those rods. So close. Hey, it opened. Alright, so as you can see, she's still a little sticky. So I'm going to give her a little bit more. Alright, y'all, 3rd time's charm, right? Feels better. There we go. Alright, y'all, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, mission success. Woohoo! Like I said, you don't know how how much you need this thing until you can't use it anymore. So, install's done. I am going to add some lubricant to both latches just to help that process go easier and put less strain on the handle itself. But I think that's going to be all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Go after what you want and never quit.